And Bob, we had some pretty significant storms, tornadoes earlier, but it looks like tomorrow might be nice for us.
Yeah, we're looking at some better weather. It was rough going.
I know.
Really, there were storms up in Hillsborough, also Pinellas. At one point, there were 5 separate tornado warnings taking place at one time. And that's a good reminder as we enter into the winter months. We are going to see more and more of these strong cold fronts come down, and they will produce some rough weather very quickly. And we saw that with this particular front. Again, El Nino is expected to be in effect this winter, and that usually means severe weather a little bit more prevalent here along the Sun Coast. In fact, across the entire state of Florida for that matter, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Here's a look at the latest radar picture now. All the rain, at least the heavy rain, well down to our south. That line is all the way out into the Atlantic now. We have some residual moisture. This is the actual cold front stretching from North Carolina all the way down right across our area now. This front will continue to move southward and then pull up stationary over the Florida Straits. I mentioned the light rain still lingering in places, but most of it's over for now. We have some showers, some sprinkles, if you will, out in the Gulf of Mexico. Those could move in and not be a real big factor up to about 3 o'clock in the morning. I think by the time the sun rises tomorrow, we will start to see some sunshine come back into the weather picture. Right now, we do have some clouds around. Had some pretty heavy rainfall, and with this squall line, too, nearly 2 inches of rain. Fell near the airport and an inch along I-75 Fruitville all the way up to University, and 7/10 of an inch near Parrish, a little less but still nearly a ½ inch out at Anna Maria Island. So here are the weather headlines. Some sunshine tomorrow. It will be cooler noticeably, 77 for a high, and it will be a little bit breezy, not terrible. A good chance for showers returning on Sunday as that front moves back northward. And it looks like that'll be mainly in the afternoon. A warm work week ahead. We're having high temperatures beginning on Monday back to near or slightly above average all the way through the work week. Now the futurecast showing the showers, of course, staying down to our south. On Saturday, we'll look for some sunshine at times and some clouds moving in overhead. Lots of sunshine throughout the southeast. High pressure will be around for just one day, really, and then an area of low pressure will move in over the lower Mississippi Valley, and that will actually grab this front and then move it back northward as a warm front. Sunday morning looks to be okay. There'll be some showers around, but I think the widespread rainfall, if we get it, and it will be in the afternoon and evening on Sunday, and it will continue on and through Sunday night as more moisture is out there. But for tomorrow, looks good. We'll take Saturday's weather. Looks to be really nice. Mid to upper 70s expected for highs. Lows to start the morning off tomorrow. A little bit on the cool side, upper 50s to low 60s. And we'll warm up into the mid 70s by, say, 3, 4 o'clock, right around 76 degrees. And then again, not as cool on Sunday morning as that front starts to work its way northward. So for boaters tomorrow, the winds will be out of the northeast. It will be breezy. Seas running 2 to 4 feet. Of a moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. The extended forecast then calling for partly cloudy skies tomorrow, 77. And make sure you set your clock back 1 hour before you go to bed. Sunset on Sunday will be at 5:46 as opposed to 6:46. Slight chance for showers on Monday. And for Election Day, it looks to be good. No excuses there. Get out and vote. And another system moves in on Thursday and Friday. And it looks as though we will see 70% chance of rain. It'll come late Thursday and then linger into Friday, and that front will keep things a bit cooler, I think, for next weekend. And we have the big, again, Crystal Classic taking place on Siesta Key, so we're hoping that forecast changes. But for right now, it could be a little wet Thursday and Friday.
All right, thank you so much, Bob.